Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 21st of July. And first of all, national news. Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe arrived in Delhi for 2-day visit. Constitutional bench to hear Delhi's challenge to centre's ordinance. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge approved the proposal for the constitution of the Pradesh Election Committee. No proposal to introduce exams for selection of High Court judges, Law Minister. No proposal to change court's language of functioning, Centre. The government on Thursday prohibited export of non-basmati white rice. Now some international news. Iraq expelled Swedish ambassador over Quran burning in Stockholm. Pak court acquitted PM Shehbaz Sharif in money laundering case. Israel MPs prepared divisive bill for final votes amid protest. Canada got massive response for new work permit for H-1B visa holders. Google explored artificial intelligence tools for journalists in talks with publishers. Xi Jinping met ex-US Secretary of State Henry Kissinger in Beijing. And now some sports news. Emerging Asia Cup, India a bank on all-round strength against tricky Bangladesh A. Football, Sam Kerr-less Australia grind down Ireland to win Nervy World Cup opener. Second test, India and West Indies geared up for historic 100th test. As per the schedule, the opening match of the tournament will be played between co-host Pakistan and Nepal on August 30. Now news related to business. Hindustan Unilever Q1 profit rose 6.9% to Rs 2,556 crore. Infosys Q1 profit rose 11% to Rs 5,945 crore. Sensex over 67,500, Nifty nearly 20,000 hit fresh all-time highs. NCLT extended deadline to complete insolvency of Future Retail to August 17. Now news related to science. NASA's Cassini spacecraft captured astonishing pic of Saturn and its moon. Astronomers have discovered strong evidence of two planets sharing the same orbit around a star. Astronomers believe the debris could be the building blocks of a new planet. Gaganyaan mission ISRO successfully test service module propulsion system. And that's all in news. Thank you.